read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's lesson is about number 11. Which number is this? Number 11. Wow, beautiful roses. 11 roses. Now, we will count, identify and write number 11. So, let's start. How to count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 roses. What is this? It's 10 rupee note. 1 coin. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 1, 11. What number am I? I am a number that's 2 ones in a line. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. 1 and 1, 11. 1 and 1, 11. 10 and 1, 11. 11 roses stood in the sun. The sunlight made their petals glow. They were happy and bright in the garden. I hope so. You enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.